So in this feature, I'm going to start the pattern overview of in the model tab. So starting with rectangular arrays, it's very similar to when we're doing it in 2D, but now we're just moving on to patterning 3D operators, sort of. So we can make a pattern of this extrusion. I made just a disk, just a circle, and extruded it. So if we hit rectangular array, pick the feature, we'll use that extrusion. Direction 1, we can pick this axis. Direction 2, this axis. If you had if you made direction vectors in a sketch, you could use those. Really, any sort of vector will work for this. We could change the direction that we're going along that axis, and then the distance in between them. Let's say let's do 3 inches by 2 inches, or 3 inches again. So it's going to be square. Let's make it 2 by 2. Hit OK, and now we've got a rectangular array of them. Now we can also array other, like we arrayed the extrusion there, but if we had a hole on here or something, then we could array that as well. So let's do that. So we'll make a hole. Reference 1 will be from, we don't have a sketch or anything. Okay, we'll make it concentric. Concentric reference will be the circle. We'll go through all. Apply. So I've got a hole there. If we want to array that, let's do a circular array. So features, we pick the hole, and then axis of rotation. Well, we don't have another axis. Let's do a rectangular array because we didn't make another axis yet. So we'll do a rectangular array of that hole. I'll do a circular array next video. So rectangular array, direction 1, we'll go with this axis. Direction 2 will be this axis as before. Whoops. What am I doing? Direction 1, this axis. Direction 2, this axis. Spacing, let's do half an inch in each direction. There, you can see we've arrayed these. We could even go the other direction if we wanted to on both of these. So hit OK, and we've arrayed those holes. Now I'll continue with circular array now. Now that we can circular array something, so let's do a circular array of this feature, the whole feature. Axis of rotation, we'll choose this axis, and placement, let's just do 2 of them. I'm not sure if this will work because it'll make a hole on top of a hole, but we'll see what happens. So if we hit OK, yeah, so now we've got a hole on top of a hole, sort of, but it allowed it. It's not the cleanest way to do things, but just to illustrate how to do a circular array on a 3D part. So same thing goes for mirror. We could mirror all this. I'll show you that right now, actually. So if we make another hole, or what else can we do? Yeah, hole's an easy one to do. So we'll do we'll make it concentric again. Once again, I did a whole video on how to make holes. So concentric reference. Okay, and now if we're going to need a mirror plane, so we'll make a plane somewhere here. We'll mirror it onto the other thing. So mirror, pick the feature. So feature, we'll pick the feature. Mirror plane. Oh, where did our plane go? Okay, we'll make the plane again. There, now we've got a plane here. So mirror, pick the feature, pick the plane. Oh no, we picked the feature again. Sorry about that. So mirror, feature is selected right now, so pick the feature. And when we pick the mirror plane, it will be this plane. Hit OK, and we've mirrored it. So if this plane was directly between these two circles, that hole would be concentric with that circle, but it's not. So anyways, that's how you mirror things in 3D, and that covers pretty much all the pattern stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and stay tuned for the next one.